All right, so homework 4 starts off with factoring, which you've probably done a whole ton of in your lifetime, but you get to do more. Normally when it says to factor, the first thing you're going to look for is the greatest common factor, what I can divide out of both of my terms in this case, or all of my terms if I have a longer polynomial. So if I'm going to factor this, I look at 16 and 12. Both of those are divisible by 4, would be the greatest one anyway. And then if I have n to the second and n to the third, their greatest common factor is
n squared.
N squared. It's always the lower of the exponents because you can't take out more than you have. So I'm going to divide the 4n squared out. I'm going to put that in front. And so 16n squared divided by 4n squared is 4. I'm dividing my coefficients and subtracting my exponents. Negative 12n to the third divided by 4n squared would be negative 3n. So that if you used your distributive property and multiplied it back out, you should get what you started with, and you shouldn't have anything left in common between your terms that are left in your parentheses. So on number 2, if we're going to factor 15w cubed plus 20x, the only thing those have in common would be the number 5. So 5 is going to go out in front, and 15w cubed divided by 5 would leave me 3w to the third, and 20x divided by 5 would leave me 4x. So again, if you look here, these don't have anything left in common, so you know you have it factored completely. The third one there, we have 12a to the 4th minus 23a squared. The greatest common factor there would just be a squared. It's 12 and 23 only have a common factor of 1. So if I take an a squared out of each of those, I would be left with minus 23. So again, you're just subtracting those exponents. 4 minus 2 left us 2 here, and 2 minus 2 left us no a's over on that one.